Right now, we're walking through our 250,000 square foot coil manufacturing facility. This is where we have some of our best team members making the highly critical component that goes into a majority of our equipment. So here at our Longview facility, we actually have essentially two plants in one. We have our coil shop side and our unit production side. We're standing in our coil shop side right now. A lot of raw material comes in and we spit out a finished fin and tube coil. This is really the heartbeat of where we integrate a lot of the one AAON mentality. A lot of our coils go into our Tulsa product, our Longview product. We even supply some of our basics product. Right here, when you look around, there's a lot of big, heavy equipment. It's not fully automated, so we heavily rely on our skilled talent and technicians, maintenance staff, everybody from the top to the bottom. This is really one of those 4 locations that you can come in, prove what you got, and work your way to the top. We anticipate growing this to double the size here in the next year and a half. Here we're walking through our build, band, and braze process. We are a semi-custom manufacturer, so we have to build semi-custom coils that goes along with that. We produce for not only our Longview facility, but our Tulsa facility, and any collaboration efforts that we can with our basics facility. We don't have a lot of automation in this area because of that semi-custom nature. You're gonna see our braze process behind us. Even though there's a lot of coils on that table, these coils have different widths, different lengths, different circuitry, so it requires skill and effort to actually go into these coils. These team members have to know what the print looks like and how to successfully braze that finished product. They do rely heavily on their training, but they also rely heavily on their experience. We have a lot of team members here that are with 5, 10, 15 years with the company. That shows their dedication, that shows that they're committed, they want to be part of the AAON team. Morning, how you doing? Morning. Morning, Bo. You doing good?
I get this.
Thank you. Thank you. Here we're walking through where the heart of the coil is actually constructed. We call this our feeder parts area. Pieces of equipment like the tube laser behind us actually go through and have automated processes to actually drill and cut each tube. Sub-assembly of all the sub-assemblies actually comes together on these tables behind me, where we actually braze all the little distributors and feeder parts. You know, you think about the army of team members that are working behind us. We wouldn't be the organization we are today without our team members. Innovation is at the core of what AAON's always been. We want the latest, we want the greatest, we want the best. Pieces of equipment like this behind me are a perfect example of what's best out there, what's best practice. When you have operators that are running pieces of equipment like this, they're excited to be here. They want to be a part of that team. They want to be a part of that growth. It's a perfect example of just the planned investment that we have on our shop floor so we can continue to be the best for many years to come. We're walking through our west facility, which is actually our unit production side of AAON Longview. Everything in this facility is just under 2 years old. It's purpose-built, designed for a reason, and we've been able to capitalize on capital investment and best manufacturing practices to actually get efficient flow from north to south end. Just like our basics and Tulsa locations, we actually produce everything starting with a steel roll through the foam process and onto the manufacturing line. Whether you're in the coil shop or unit production, it takes that perfect marriage between automation and the team members. Without these team members, we wouldn't be where we are today. AAON Longview production produces units from 2 to 70 tons, mostly in a commercial split system style, but also in a modular. As you look at the lines behind me, each one of these lines is built with safety, ergonomics, and efficiency top of mind. With true one AAON mentality, this unit right here is a perfect example of collaboration between Basics and Longview. We've been able to leverage Longview's volume and Basics' technology and design to provide a solution for a customer. Our unit production lines at Longview are laid out based on configuration. We produce vertical and horizontal air handlers, as well as their pairing condensing units. All of our equipment is functionally tested to make sure that our quality standards exceed the customer's expectations. Longview units will get painted based on their application. From there, they'll go through a rigorous fit, form, and finish QC check. They will then be shipped on a global scale where they will provide global solutions for many years to come.